Hello friends. In this video, we intend to go through the steps of opening an account with Capital.com Broker through the TradingFinder website. We will enter the review related to binary options brokers and select Capital.com. We click on the Go to Website option. The page related to Capital.com Broker opens for us. We click on the Sign Up option. We select Sign Up with Email and complete the account opening details in this section. We enter the desired email, noting that we previously did not have an account with this broker, along with a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. We click on the option that states you are over 18 years old and have accepted all terms and conditions related to this broker, and then we select the Continue with Email option. Your account has been opened with CapitalBear Broker. In this section, you will see a box that states if you want to learn how to trade and how to use the broker step by step, select Teach me how to trade. Otherwise, close this page by clicking the X option. Your account has been opened with CapitalBear Broker, and an email has been sent to your registered email for verifying and confirming your email. We open the email and click on the Confirm Registration option. Your email has been accepted by the broker, and your account is now active. By clicking the Trade Now button, we return to the trading cabinet. The Profile section, the Personal Data. In this section of the broker, you can see that your email has been accepted and confirmed by the broker. Wishing you success and profitability.